P&J Productions present.
You know what time is, Mandingos? Tornado of the Glass. Oh, yes.
Rice-Cles. What? Oh, I'm a bit premature. Oh. Now I know there will be beer lager snobs who will say that's pain. But like I said in my previous pouring ale in a glass - January 3. This is down to budgetary measures. Like I said before, sure I would love to have Madri, Peroni, Moretti, the ones that are sold in some of the Indian lagers, some of the Japanese lagers, even some of the Chinese lagers, especially the Polish lagers, you know, Tyskie, Lek, Żywiec. I mean, the Polish lagers are probably some of my favourites, especially Lek out of a bottle. But this is sheer budgetary reasons, not that I think this is the best, because it ain't. Probably the proper Danish version would be better. But it's a lot better than Skol.
Amazonian, pansexual for later on. The old pansexual. Pansexual. I'm going to get wrong for that, aren't I? If I keep doing that. I have all the pansexuals complaining. You shouldn't be saying pansexual. Anyway, drinks. Let's have a look and see what we've got. As you've seen, guys, we've already had a bottle of that beer with the lovely waspy taste in it. So we've got another one of them each. Innocent gun. Very nice indeed. Good. Guys, here we go. Let's get the old Nostradamus in it. Ooh, a little bit of a spicy thing there. The old Spicicles or my Bakeroni. A little bit. This looks about the best way in, guys. too right, is it? Herbert oak and some nice salmon, and that is good enough for these two mandingos.
Slight blooper there.
Excellent.
It would help if I do this.
It ain't going to win anywhere, any awards, is it, mate? I'm slurring our words. We've had a few drinks, guys. We're slurring our words. It ain't going to win any awards. Yeah, yeah. It ain't going, man. Oh, easy here, lad. My little mate. Oh, yeah. Time for another whiskey, mate? Yes, well. You don't make sense. You don't make sense.
I'll press record on the old camaraderie, but it's been like a little wind tunnel through here. And if you know what it's like making a YouTube video, or even if you're just making little videos on your phone for TikTok or whatever, the wind noise sounds even worse on your phone. Do you know what I mean? So I didn't want the video getting ruined, the terrible wind noise. If I'm sitting here all night, I mean, I am going to sit there till it gets dark, and then we'll get in there, we'll get cosy. My main thinking, guys, the setting up in there is this little tunnel here. You've got to come through here.
Inside an Acromat, a customer's mobile phone recorded the gunfire getting closer. As two gunmen moved from the street to the restaurants by the front entrance of the mall.
I was looking at his face. He was young. He looked at me and he fired.
I just remember thinking, if they see my face now, they're gonna know how crazy I think this is. Like, I can't believe what just happened. They're killing women and children, and they're making baby faces at us and waving. So I turned around and started walking out. As I got there, this tear gas dropped.
Hey mate, Ma, you're some lager aficionado.